Hey, what is up guys, my name is Mario and today we're going to check out the i7 Plus True Wireless Earpiece, which can possibly be the knockoffs of the AirPods. Let's go check them out.
Alright.
First, let's look into the value. So you're going to get the two earpieces and you're going to get a charging box. Each earpiece is going to have about 55 milliamp battery on each. And on the charging box, you're going to have about 650 milliamps. So what that means is you get about 2 hours of playtime using the earpiece. And if you use the charging box, you're supposed to be able to charge them at least 2 or 3 times. But honestly, I'm only able to charge them once fully. And after that, I have to recharge the box. And you also get a micro USB charging, but you will not get the wall charger. But pretty much any of the wall chargers you have should be compatible. Now, when it comes to the price, you can pick them up between $25 to $35. Currently in Amazon, I was able to find this exact model for $35. I think if you shop around, if you look in your local stores, you may be able to pick them up for about $25, $30, just depending on the location. Now, when it comes to comfort, usually I'm able to wear this for about 2 hours before I start feeling some discomfort. And they do fit in there pretty good. They don't fall off easily. I'm able to walk around, move around. I usually put them on when I'm in the office. I can get up, move around, and they stay on. So the only issue is that they start hurting you a little bit after 2 hours, and usually you have to take them off. And probably that is because the round piece that goes inside your ear canal, this one is going to be a little bit bigger compared to your average earbuds. And even if on the AirPods, I think the AirPods are going to be a little bit smaller. These are actually considered to be the plus sizes. And there's going to be a few other models online when you check, which are going to be either mini or just a regular size. So that's something to keep in mind if you're shopping around. And when it comes to storage, they do go inside the charging box. They pop right in there very easily. You can store them, take them with you. They're not that bulky to carry them in your pocket. Now let's talk about the quality. So these are not going to be anything crazy. If they're going to be just your average wireless earbuds, they're not going to have bass on it. I mean, if they have any bass, it's going to be very minimum. They sound okay for the price. I mean, they're not going to sound outstanding. They're either going to be average or below average. They do stay connected. When I use them with the Galaxy Note 8, with Galaxy Note 5 and the Note 4, I can tell you they do stay connected. They don't disconnect all the time like a lot of the earbuds that I had before, the wireless earbuds. You can also use them to make phone calls. While you're making a phone call, both of them are not going to work at the same time. You can only use one earbud. It does come with the microphone. So again, the sound quality is just going to be average. It's not going to be anything outstanding for the price. When you're watching videos, for example, if you're watching YouTube, I noticed that there's going to be a little bit of delay between the video and the sound quality. Another thing, if you're using them to listen to the audio at very low volumes, you're gonna get some static, and that is the static of the wireless frequency, I guess. But definitely for low sound quality, they're not gonna be that good. Usually have to have maybe at least 20 to 30% or higher to get a decent sound quality out of them. All right, so how do they work? One of the most questions asked about this is to be able to get both of them to work at the same time. So first you have to pair them. So by doing that, you have to follow the instructions that you're gonna get. So you have to turn both of them and they're gonna get in sync. And then you're gonna connect them to your wireless or your Bluetooth device, your cell phone or wherever you're gonna stream the music. Once you do that, you can either just use one or you can use both of them. When you're ready to turn them off, you can use the multifunction button that you can long press on it and it will turn them off. Same thing, it will turn them on. While making the phone call, you can also use the multifunction button to do different actions like to answer the phone call, end the phone call. Also, if you want to make a quick dial from the last incoming call that you got, you double tap the button, which is something that a lot of people don't like because when they're trying to connect it, sometimes they double tap it and it will automatically make a phone call when you're thinking you're just gonna start listening to music. And it can be embarrassing because you may be calling back the last person that called you, and sometimes it may be late at night. Something that happens to me all the time when I'm using wireless earbuds, some of the budget wireless earbuds. You do get the LED indicators in the charging box and on the earbud. So in the charging box, while you're charging them, it will basically blink red. When they're fully charged, it will blink blue. Same with the earbuds, you will get actually inside the air tips on the ends. It was going to have some LEDs that is going to let you know when the battery is getting low, while they're getting connected, when they're in pairing mode, and you know all that usual functionality that you get. Now, do I think they're worth it? Well, it just depends. If you just, before you buy the actual AirPods and you spend $150 on them, you just want to get the experience of something similar, definitely go for them, just check them out. But if you're looking for something that's going to be good, that it's gonna sound good, that it's gonna give you a good battery life, definitely this is not gonna be it for you, especially if you're saving up the money to get some a good pair of wireless earbuds. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer any of your questions. Also consider subscribing to this channel for a weekly tech video. We focus on usually the Galaxy Note phones and any of the other cool gadgets that come around the time. So make sure you smash that like button if you enjoyed this content, and I'll see you on the next one.